Hello everyone, today I'm going to be making ferrofluid, or other known as magnetic fluid. Ferrofluid is a liquid that becomes strongly magnetized in the presence of a magnetic field. For this experiment, we are going to need black ink toner, vegetable cooking oil, any type of rare earth metal magnet, measuring cup and measuring spoon, and a container to hold the liquid. The rare earth metal magnet, I just got it at Home Depot. First, I'm going to measure and pour about 50 milliliters of black ink toner into the cup. Next, I'm going to measure and pour about 2 tablespoons of vegetable cooking oil into the cup and stir as much as I can to try and get the liquid into a light consistency. Then I'm going to transfer the liquid into a glass container so that I can see the liquid clearly. And now it's time to test out the magnet. Now I'm going to place the magnet under the container and move it around and see what happens. Here's a video showing what a ferrofluid is supposed to look like instead. Ferroliquids are colloidal liquids consisting of nanomagnetic particles, or other known as ferromagnetic particles, that are suspended in a carrier fluid, in which this case it is the vegetable oil. Each tiny particle is coated with a surfactant to prevent the particles from clumping. This liquid is smooth, but when placing a magnet under the container, spikes are formed out of the liquid. This spike-shaped appearance is caused by the need to find the most stable shape in order to minimize the total energy of the system. This effect is known as the normal field instability. Since my experiment failed, I'm going to test out the magnet with some regular ink toner to see if it works. It seems like it works, so the magnet must have not been powerful enough to penetrate through the glass container, or I used the wrong vegetable cooking oil for the solution. Thank you for watching my experiment.